Hi, my name's Paul, and this is my 1969 Buick GS 400. It's got a 464-inch Buick motor in it, aluminum heads, stage 1 heads, 950 Pro Systems carburetor, turbo 400 transmission, 11-inch torque converter, Dana S60 rear end in it with bare brakes all the way around it. Level 2 Ride Tech coilover suspension, the bare brakes all the way around it, Hydro Boost brakes for better stopping power, and it's something that we put together just to do something a little bit different. Everybody's got Chevelles and Camaros and stuff like that, so we decided to put some Buick muscle together. It should make maybe 525 horsepower, 550 horsepower, somewhere in there. It's set up to be a pro touring car. We did the whole underneath of the car and the engine. We are going to put air conditioning on it because it's a Buick. You should have power windows and some creature comforts. So it's a little something different. My brother-in-law put it together. Nationwide transmission. And it's a family affair.
Look at the hot one!
Yeah, we put it together just basically to go out and have some fun with it, beat it up, drive it like what it's made for. Over the winter we'll pull it apart, detail it up and paint it and keep cruising it.